Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical sewing machine, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Sewing Machine, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sewing machines from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Brother Lightweight Full-Featured Sewing Machine. Introducing the Brother Lightweight Full-Featured Sewing Machine XM2701, your perfect companion for all your sewing needs. This versatile sewing machine features 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, perfect for a variety of projects. Whether you're a beginner or advanced sewer, the auto-size buttonhole and automatic needle threader make your sewing experience smooth and efficient. In this episode of Rainbow Cotton, we'll give you a demo of Suden. The drop-in top bobbin system is easy to use and jammergas dancing, ensuring a hassle-free sewing process. With 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, and 4 bobbins included, you're ready to start sewing right out of the box. The free arm design offers flexibility for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other hard-to-reach areas. Plus, with Brother at your side support, you get free technical support for the life of your machine. Get started on your next project with this reliable, easy-to-use sewing machine today. Number 2. Singer Heavy-Duty High-Speed Sewing Machine. Introducing the Singer Heavy-Duty High-Speed Sewing Machine, the perfect choice for tackling all your sewing projects with ease. This machine features 97 stitch applications, offering a variety of basic, stretch, decorative, and one-step buttonhole options for ultimate customization. With an automatic needle threader, threading is a breeze, saving you time and reducing eye strain. The Singer 44.8 boasts a high sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing you to complete projects faster. Its 60% stronger motor makes it ideal for handling thick fabrics and heavy seams. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, this machine provides unmatched durability and stability for years of reliable use. Included with the machine are various accessories such as an all-purpose foot, buttonhole foot, seam ripper, and more, all conveniently stored in the accessory tray. Plus, the Stay Bright LED light ensures optimal visibility while you sew. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this machine is ready for any task. Number 3. Rxmeili Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine for beginners. Introducing the Rxmeili Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine, perfect for beginners and sewing enthusiasts alike. This compact and lightweight machine weighs only 2.4 kg and measures 12.2 into 5.9 into 11.8 inches, making it ideal for home use, from clothing alterations to DIY home decor projects. It offers dual power options, with both an AC adapter and the convenience of 4 AA batteries, so you can easily take it on the go. With 12 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, and reverse stitches, you have versatile sewing options for all your crafting needs. The machine is designed with easy threading marks to help beginners, and the user guide and instructional video provide step-by-step guidance for a seamless sewing experience. Whether you're remodeling clothes or creating handmade crafts, this portable and user-friendly sewing machine makes it easy to bring your creative projects to life. Number 4. FEIYUE Home Sewing Machine with Foot Pedal. Introducing the FEIYUE Home Sewing Machine with Foot Pedal, a fantastic choice for beginners and sewing enthusiasts. This portable sewing machine features a powerful servo motor, which increases efficiency by 10% and reduces energy consumption by up to 35%. With 105 stitch applications, including decorative, buttonhole, and stretch stitches, you can easily tackle a variety of sewing projects, from clothing repairs to creative crafts. Designed for smooth and consistent results, this machine is equipped with an automatic needle threader, saving you time and effort. Its integrated metal frame ensures durability and stability, allowing you to sew anything from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty materials like jeans with ease. The FEIYUE FY330 includes everything you need to get started, such as 6 bobbins, 3 needles, 5 sewing feet, and both an instructional DVD and USB for guidance. Whether you're new to sewing or experienced, this machine makes creating beautiful projects simple and enjoyable. Number 5. SnowVoice StitchMaster Pro Sewing Machine. Introducing the SnowVoice StitchMaster Pro Sewing Machine, the perfect tool for any sewing enthusiast looking to take their craft to the next level. This innovative machine features double-line dance, allowing for dual needle and thread sewing. It enhances strength, efficiency, and durability with 16 stitch types, from basic lines to decorative designs, ideal for any project. The StitchMaster Pro effortlessly handles up to 6 layers of thick denim, making it perfect for heavy-duty sewing. With the ability to adjust needle tension from 1 to 9, you have complete control over the quality of your stitches. Experience smooth control with the adjustable speed pedal, giving beginners and experts alike the freedom to sew at their own pace. Features like backstitching, buttonholing, and self-threading ensure versatility, while LED lighting and multifunctional feet provide precision. Whether you're repairing, creating, or enhancing, the StitchMaster Pro will take your sewing projects to new heights. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.